Okay, there's a lot going on in this video, people, but this is part of the Passing the Torch series. My daughter, once again, caught her almost at the same spot we were last time. But there's a lot going on in this video. I got my Starbucks. This is tried and true. I've had this before. I'm finna double it up, though. I've never had this one before. I'm gonna try this one first. If this one don't give me what I'm looking for, I'll go with Old Trusty right here. But what this is not about Starbucks and bad gas station food. This is about what?
It's good.
Yeah. This is about the new addition to my daughter's car. You want to tell the people what you got?
Now, hold on.
Yeah. We just got back from an epic adventure. We went to Audio Express, dropped the car off, and walked 3 miles all the way back home. It was a very fun adventure.
That was awful.
For me and my daughter. So, you gonna throw it in reverse and show them what you got?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Bam, look at that. She now has a backup camera. New driver, need all the help she can get. So I figured, I never used a backup camera myself. Well, I had the option, but I never had the camera, so we had to get the camera installed. What do you think about that now?
It's pretty handy.
Yes. Now you ready for action?
Yeah. It's nice to not have to like throw my head back trying to make sure I'm not going to hit anyone, you know?
All right. Well, we're going to cut this short because it's hot and we want to turn the air on and I want to drink my Starbucks. But anything you want to say in closing about Chief? How you feel about Chief now?
I am not crossing traffic.
Okay.
Not happening.
So that's how you feel about the Chief?
No, I'm excited. Next step is a new cord.
No, the
radio.
Next step is to clean the white walls.
Oh, yeah, that too.
All right. Peace out, people.
Bye.